Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Thank you ever so much for choosing one of my videos. It means the absolute world and I really hope you enjoy it. Today I'm creating this makeup look here. It's like gothy, sci-fi, extraterrestrial vibes, and honestly, I'm loving it. If you want to see how we create this look, then please stay tuned. My absolute go-to for a smoky eye is the Tarte Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette because it just has all these gorgeous like smoky tones, and honestly for a smoky eye it's an absolute staple. I have just primed my eyes with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C3. First of all, I'm just going to set my eyeshadow base with the shade Natural Beauty, this sort of purpley grey tone, and I'm just going to basically just run this all over the lid. I'm not going to blend it out. You could use powder if you wanted and then do this on top, but I can't be bothered, so we're just going to do this. First shade we're going to do is the shade Dreamer, this brown shade up here, and we're going to blend this on the outer crease and then on the inner as well, because we're going to do a halo eye. So on the same brush, I'm just going to pop this on the outer corner and I'm going to really focus on blending this out. To the medium shadow brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to go with the black shade Fashionista, and I'm going to pop that right on the corner. I have not done a smoky eye for so long. I used to literally just wear black eyeshadow every day. That's like all I used to do, but these days I don't wear one very often. So on the inner corner as well. Oh, I feel it just does not look right, but trust the process. Trust the process. Have confidence in yourself. I'm going to go in with a looser, it's the only word I can just think to describe it, a looser blending brush. This is the ABH Brow Gel number 8 brush. We go in with the shade Natural Beauty that we set everything down with, and we're going to run this on the outer corners to ensure everything is nice and blended. This white base I've used once and I wasn't sure on it, but I think I want to try it. This is the Sample Beauty Impact with eyeshadow, and basically it's just white and it's really cool, and they do lots of colours, but I just haven't been able to like use it properly. But now I'm a bit more experienced with makeup, I feel maybe I can give it a go. I'm going to take this sort of flat brush and I'm just going to take some of the white eyeshadow off the brush just because I don't want to get black everywhere, and I'm going to pop it on the middle of the eyeshadow and bring it up basically everywhere where you then want the glitter to go. I'm going to put some of my Glitter Fix Gel, my usual, I sound like a broken record, but it's my Glitter Fix Loveshy Gel, and I'm going to run that with the same brush over the top of the white, and then we're going to put some silver glitter on top. I have no idea how this is going to look because I've done black and gold but never like black and silver and white and all that, so yeah, I'm going to use these are just some silver sequins that were eye safe, the same brush. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my base, so now I feel like I'm ready to finish up the eyes. I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush again, and I'm going to go in with this Multitasker shade, this brown here, and I'm just going to pop some of that, I think, on the outer corner and the inner corner just to help deepen it up without adding more black. And the Dreamer shade, and I'm just going to blend the outer corner and bring it in. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take this same fluffy brush and the shade Dreamer, and I'm just going to put this on the tip of my brush, and I'm going to run this underneath the eye. This brush and a tiny bit of the black shade, and just run that on the outer corner. Do white eyeliner or black eyeliner? Let's do white eyeliner. I'm going to do my Handaayan Eyeliner. Okay, so I just put my liner in. I literally just like continue drawing it as a line. I just feel like that looks quite cool. So, ooh, okay, that actually looks quite funky. I'm going to use my Tarte Big Ego Mascara. So that is the eyes pretty much done. I actually love how they've turned out, like extraterrestrial vibes. For bronzer, I just want to do a cool tone bronzer because my eyes are fairly cool toned. So I'm going to use Benefit Hoola. It's just a little mini I have, and this my usual slimmer brush, and I'm just going to really focus this on the outer corners of my cheekbones and bring it in just like underneath, because I want to, you know, if we're going to go for like extraterrestrial alien vibes, I want to be like a chiseled alien. Obviously, because I know when I do my makeup, like I know it's not perfect. I know that it should be a bit more blended, like the glitter, and I know my liner's not perfect and all that. But like, I am completely self-taught. I've literally just had a go at watching YouTube videos, and then just had a go as like therapy. This is like my art therapy, you know. Though I know it's not perfect, but I give it a go because I want, you know, and you guys should always just give it a go as well. Like, it doesn't matter, it's your face at the end of the day. And if you're happy with it, then you're happy with it. Blush has got to be a cool tone blush. This is Tarte blush in the shade Quirky. It's a gorgeous, like, mauvey nudie tone. I'm going to take this fluffy brush on my cheekbones and bring it up. Oh, that's quite a lot on my nose. Okay. Powder brush. Something you can hide with a powder brush. My Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. I love this highlighter. And it's like silvery, which is what I want. So flower is disappearing where I've used it so much, like the imprint, but it's fine. I'll just have to buy another one. Oh, eyebrows. Don't let me forget my brows, guys, because this look needs brows, because I can't just have like my messy brows, because they currently are messy. For like where I got a smoky eye, I really want to like brighten up the inner corner, just so it's not like too dark. And I like that the lashes are a bit more subtle as well, because it just like focuses on the eyeliner rather than the lashes, which normally I'm the other way around. But I'm gonna run some of my ABH Brow Gel through my brows. I'm gonna run some of my Tarteist gel liner in my lower lash line, my waterline. Setting spray, pure lip mist, because we need some intense setting today, and then we can do lipstick. So for lips, to finish the look off, I feel like I've been going in with a red quite a lot recently, so I thought let's do something I don't normally do very often anymore and wear a purple lipstick. This is the Maybelline lipstick Midnight Merlot in the shade 885. It's gorgeous, so let's just go ahead and pop this on, and then I think we're pretty much done. Oh, it's not very often at all that I wear a dark lip these days, but honestly, I'm obsessed. Okay guys, so this is today's finished look. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I actually love how the makeup turned out. Until next time, take care of yourselves, embrace all the glitter you can possibly find, slap it on your face, and you're good to go. And I shall see you again next time. Bye!